Welcome to Billionaire's Point. So today we are going to tell you how to become a billionaire in just 5 steps in just 5 years. So let's get started. Be a learner. Normally billionaires don't happen by accident. Be a billionaire by studying interest rates, tax rates and dividends. Study finance, entrepreneurship, learn to identify customer needs, then develop business model to fulfill those needs. Currently, computer science and skills and new technology are lucrative careers. Read about successful billionaires, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Elon Musk. Be wise with the money to amass more. Save money. It takes money to make money. Set aside a specific amount of money from each paycheck check and put it in a saving account to collect interest and use for future investments. Start an individual retirement account available from financial institutions. ERAs are customized financial plans set up to save for the future. To save $1 billion, start saving as soon as possible. Interest accrues on saving. Depending on the financial institutions, a minimum amount of money may be required initially. Research options and talk to financial advisors. Pay off your credit card debt. It's hard to get ahead with debits hanging over our head. Student loans and credit card debt should be paid off as soon as possible. Average annual percentage rates vary between 20% and 30%, so the balance between continue growing. Make a 5-year plan. Estimate how much money to save over 5 years. Decide the best way to use money, whether it's investing, starting a business, or allowing money to collect interest. Now work for your aim. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like. If you want part 2, let me know in comment section.